How to disable BuddyPress Message Feature for non-friends. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you how to disable BuddyPress Message Feature for non-friends. That's mean, users only can send message to their friends. First, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version and activate it. This plugin is also free and you can get it from the WordPress plugin directory. And then, please go to your FTP or file manager. And go to folder WP content, then folder plugins. Create a new PHP file and name it bp-custom.php. If you already have it, no need to create a new one. Just open it. Next step, please copy a snippet from our GitHub. You can see and click the URL on the description of this video. Paste the copied snippet to the file and save the file. Let's test it. I go to a user account and cannot see the message button. That's mean I cannot send a message to him. And let's see if I already am his friend. I can see a message button. And then can send a message successfully. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.